welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about PeeSafe toilet spray. I'm not sure how many of you know about it or not, but I thought this video was really compulsory for me to make. I have started using this very recently and I thought I must introduce to all those who doesn't know about it. So PeeSafe toilet spray has come very newly to India. It is available in different brands abroad, but I think very recently, about a year or two, this is very recent in India, and this is something which we really need, especially here in India, because not all public toilets are always clean. When we are at home, we don't have to use this because we know we keep our home toilets very clean and it's completely hygienic to use them, so we don't have to worry about it at home. But when we go out, like if we are traveling by train, even by flight, if you're going to a mall, if you're going to watch movie, restaurants, anywhere, any hotel, anywhere, you need PeeSafe. Now I tell you why. It is very important to use this before using a toilet because it protects us from any kind of germs or bacteria which is already present in the toilet. Especially, I'm talking about the public toilets. So now don't be afraid of using toilets outside the house because now you have PeeSafe. So all you have to do is, as you can see, this is a spray bottle. So when you're going to use any public toilet, all you have to do is just keep this 25 centimeter away from the toilet seat. Just spray it, as you can see, and the fragrance is really good. So spray about 25 centimeters away from the toilet seat. Let it evaporate, let it settle for about 10 seconds and then only use it. What will happen in that 10 seconds is all the germs and bacteria which is present in that toilet will definitely go away. So this is like a sanitizer. This is a toilet sanitizer which is really important, and I'm so glad this is here in India, and it's not expensive also. This is a 50 ml bottle which cost about 120 rupees. I bought this from Nykaa and I got this for 98 rupees. As far as I know, they come in two flavors, that is mint and lavender, and they also come in two sizes. I have the 50 ml one which I said is for 128 rupees. They are also available in 75 ml which cost about 180 rupees. So do check Nykaa or Amazon. They're always on sale, so you can get a good price from there. And this is very compact, very easy to carry, very travel friendly bottles. You can because this is 50 ml, you can also put this in a small clutch or in a small bag. So you can always carry this with you. I always keep it in my bag. I never forget this. This has become really important to me. This PeeSafe definitely reduces the risk of any bathroom-borne diseases. So a very compact one, like I said, so definitely keep this, carry this in your bag. Now where exactly to use it? You can use this on toilet seats, you can use it on top of the toilet seats, you can use it inside the commode, you can use it near the flush area, you can use it on the tap, you can use it on the door, on the handle of the doors of the public toilet. You can use it on the floor, on the knob, wherever, so that you are sanitized and you are completely free from any kind of germs and any kind of bacteria. And one thing really good about the fragrance is, even if the loo is smelling bad, if you apply this and wait for 10 seconds for it to evaporate, you will feel the toilet is really fresh and you will feel really comfortable to use the toilet. So the fragrance is really important. What I have here is the mint one. I'm going to buy the lavender next time because I want to try both. I'm sure it's going to be great. This one is really good. You will really like the fragrance once you spray. That's just why this bottle comes in flavors, so that even if the toilet is stinking bad, this will really help to take away that bad smell. So this video is a very short one just to tell you all how important it is to carry PeeSafe. Whether of any age, let me tell you, any age you must carry PeeSafe with you. This is really comfortable to use and it really keeps you away from any kind of diseases, especially the bathroom-borne diseases. It will save you from urine infection, what else you need. So do buy it, do give it a try. This is not a sponsored video. I really thought everyone must know about it. If you don't know, then you must. So this was my video on PeeSafe. I hope all the girls who are watching my video will definitely buy this. It's not expensive. This is something you must have. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do share it with all your family, friends, relatives, everybody. Everyone should know about this product because it's really important for everyone's hygiene. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload my video. I'm going to see you all soon with more videos. Till then, bye.